Okay, so I promised I'd help you out with a little bit of homework. Here's 5, 6, 7, and 8 from your assignment. I didn't grab that. Cancel, get rid of that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph these 4 problems right here, and you should be able to do those in basically under a minute for each, for all 4 problems. Now, I'll just give you a hint. One of these 4 problems is in slope-intercept form. Can you pick it out? Do you know which one is in slope-intercept form? Not number 5, because that has x's and y's on one side. Nope, it's not number 8. That has x's and y's on the same side. So which one doesn't have the x's and y's on the same side? That's right, it's number 6. So what you do is, on number 6, we're going to do it the old way. Starts at 2, and it goes down 1 over 1. Boom, boom. Down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. Straight edge. Draw it. Voila. Okay? Now, these other ones need to use standard form. Okay? So in standard form, I'm going to do the x and y intercept. So the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Now, you get to the point where you don't write these down every time. So I'm going to do it just this once, and these other 2 I'll do it without writing them down. Okay? So the x-intercept, basically cover up the y. So I'm going to pretend like that's not there. X equals 3. Heck, I don't need to divide by anything. So my x-intercept is 3. Okay, now get rid of that. This time let's cover up the x. Y-intercept, 2 doesn't go into 3, so I have to do 3 divided by negative 2, it'd be negative 1 1/2. You're like, how'd you get that? I can just do it in my head. If you want to use your calculator, use your calculator. 3 divided by 2 should be able to be done pretty quick and easy. So my x-intercept, 3. There it is. Y-intercept, negative 1 1/2. Negative 1 1/2. There's my 2 dots. I'll draw the line using my straight edge. And there you go. And actually, I should have probably extended the line a little bit more, too. Oh, crap. Now I got 2 different lines, but you get the idea. Extend the graph, extend the line so it fills up the entire graph, okay? So this one, cover up the y. X-intercept, I guess I can't erase it, but x-intercept, divide by 2, divide by 2. My x-intercept would be negative 2. Ooh, so that's over here on the x-axis. This time my y-intercept, cover up the x. Y-intercept is, it's by itself already, so negative 4. There we go. Grab my straight edge. Bang. And last but not least, this one looks ugly because it's got a 5. X-intercept, 3. Y-intercept, what's 12 divided by 5? Crap, I can't do that in my head. I'm going to pull up my calculator just to show you what you can do if you don't have this stuff memorized. 12 divided by negative 5. Now I can't put the negative in there, but I know it's negative 2.4. Okay, so I'm going to go on the y-axis to negative 2.4, almost 2.5. Just a little under. There you go. Grab my straight edge. Connect the dots. And I didn't do a hot job on that one. I'm going to adjust this a little bit. There we go. I'm going to adjust this one just a little bit. There we go. So, use your straight edge to your advantage and connect the dots. Extend the whole graph, and you got yourself graphing in standard form.